they do so well in the American school system. Now, from the second article from Kalyanpur, it says schools are norm reference to a privileged minority constituting less than 2% of the total population, who currently occupy the top tiers of both private and public sectors, and whose cultural repertoire, like that of middle-class whites in the United States, provides the referent against which other children are evaluated. So what that means is that in India, basically, between 13.4 to 40 million children are dropping out of school, and the majority of those are disabled, poor. A lot of them are female, and because of the Indian caste system, they don't have access to the same opportunities as that privileged 2% of the norm, typical Indian student who is successful. Now, in Cambodia, the other article by the same author, Kalyanpur, it says, for one, evidence indicates that children with disabilities are among the most marginalized within the social hierarchy with regard to education. For another, the large number of students with learning difficulties, many of whom may be failing because of impoverished conditions rather than a biological incapacity, suggests that for many students, the problem is more economic than medical. So what that means basically is that in Cambodia, because of its poor socioeconomic system, uh, due to the Khmer Rouge regime civil war that took place during the 70s, and the EFA, or Education for All program, that was brought in, the assumption was that these students could, if given new schools, given the right teachers, that regardless of the fact that they are poor, don't have the right resources, the right calendar time, or even if they're disabled, that they should be able to succeed. And this EFA is actually failing in Cambodia as it is in India, because unfortunately most of these students who are also disabled, they're not able to succeed. In fact, Cambodia has one of the worst educational systems in the world due to the aftermath of the Khmer Rouge civil war that took place in Cambodia. So basically, what I learned from this assignment was that students in the United States and internationally are being overrepresented as SPED, disabled, 504 plans, any other cognitive impairments, um, because of the fact that they are poor as well, and because they are an ethnic minority. So, thank you very much, and this is my presentation.